Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm planting garlic, so we're going to get this bed here prepared. This is kind of where I keep all my, kind of like a compost pile, but I keep it separate. I got all my grass clippings here, and I've got my chicken manure there, and underneath here is some garden dirt if I need it. I keep this compost here, or chicken manure bedding, has been here since earlier this summer, so it's good to go. But get you a barrel, cut it in half, put some wheels on it, put a handle, makes it easy and convenient. So we're going to fill the garlic bed up with some chicken manure here. All right, before we I want to dig all this up here. Oh, that's going to be pretty good. Okay, dirt's good. I'm going to throw this chicken manure in there. Garlic likes a lot of nitrogen. I don't think you can get enough nitrogen for it, probably. So we'll get all this dug up. We'll get the soil turned under, get all that in there. Okay. All right, then I'll rake this out here. What I'm doing here, I'm trying to even out the soil. So that way when it rains, we don't get a puddle in one spot. Last year, I planted my garlic down here. So this year I'm going to plant it here. I alternate every year here. All right, let's go get the garlic. This is my garlic that I grew last year. So I try to keep as much as the paper on. Look at that nice size. Now, we don't eat a whole lot of garlic, so I always get enough for what I need or to give to my kids if they need any. There's some nice sized pieces here. Goodness. Wow, that's one. Okay, so we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. I'll be planting 16 garlic cloves. Now I put markers so I know where they're at. And then I plant these 8 to 10 inches apart because they have long roots and I don't think they want to compete. So I stick the root end down. Get right down in there. Oh, that's a little one. I've got the room to spread them out, so. Okay. And let's start here. Now this is good fertile soil. Just push it down a couple inches. I've got a couple little ones here. Let's see how they do. And here's a little teeny one. So we'll see if it makes it. Yeah, we'll put him right there. Okay. Cover it up a little more. Okay, I'm not done yet. Now that I got this planted, now I'm going to put a thin layer of leaves on top of it to help kind of protect from the weather. So let's go get that next. And leaf is also a type of compost, so natural fertilizer that you can use. We take the mower, we mow them up, and I'll show you my leaf pile. Okay, as I'm preparing the rest of the garden, as the leaves come in and we chop them up, so we just put them in piles here in the garden, and then we'll come and take what we need and spread it through the rest of the garden. So I'm going to gather some leaves up to put on top of the garlic here. I said all fall I'll keep adding leaves in here. Leaves, grass clippings. And then as I clear out the garden, I'll come and do what I'm doing now. I'll gather it up. Alright, that should do. And we'll just put a thin layer on top here. I don't want to put it too heavy. Okay, that's what I do for my my garlic. Okay, well, as you see, I'm getting rained on here, and so this will get good and watered, and if it don't rain enough, then I'll come out later and water it. But basically, I just walk away until spring. That's all I do. I don't touch anymore. If I know it's going to get really, really cold, I will put some like straw down, a thin layer of straw on top. But other than that, I've always done just the leaves, and they've done just fine. So, but I am going to go ahead and dump the rest of the leaves over here. Alright, there's one more thing that I do, so let me go get it. Now that'll keep the cats out from getting in there and digging, because they don't like those sticks to get poked. Now next spring I'll plant the rest of this with onions. So, but this is my garlic. Alright guys, take care. See you next time. Bye.